As Easter approaches, there will be an abundance of chocolate buying and the hiding of Easter eggs around the home and garden. Unfortunately, this happy activity can have serious and sometimes fatal consequences for your family dog. Dogs can easily sniff out those hidden treats, and you may find yourself facing more of an emergency than just a missing egg or bunny. Is chocolate really harmful? Short answer is yes. Chocolate is derived from the roasted seeds of the theobromine cacao, which contains certain properties that can be toxic to animals, caffeine and theobromine. If ingested, these two ingredients can also lead to various medical complications and may even prove fatal for your dog. Theobromine is more slowly absorbed by the dog's digestive system than in humans and has a half-life of 17.5 hours. Because of this, symptoms may not appear for many hours after the chocolate has been eaten. Do not be fooled by this into thinking that everything is okay. Clinical signs occur within 6 to 12 hours of ingestion. The earlier this is treated, the more likely you are to save your dog's life. In addition to this, the very slow deactivation of theobromine in dogs means that their chocolate poisoning can vary and be prolonged up to 3 days. Your dog may need to be hospitalized. During this time. The first signs of poisoning are nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and increased urination. Hyperactivity, body rigidity, and a lack of voluntary coordination of muscle movements can then follow. You may notice signs of rapid breathing and an increase in heart rate, together with a rising body temperature. These can progress to cardiac arrhythmias, seizures, internal bleeding, heart attacks, and eventually death. What do you do if you suspect your dog has eaten chocolate? If it's all possible, try to ascertain how much and of what type of chocolate has been ingested. This will help the vet to determine whether toxicity has reached sufficient levels for veterinary intervention. If the dog has not started to vomit, it is likely that the chocolate has been eaten within the previous 6 hours, and so the vet will induce vomiting to prevent further absorption, followed by interventions such as activated charcoal, which will help prevent the absorption of toxic substances from the intestines. However, if the dog has already started to vomit, then the vet will administer drugs to further prevent vomiting and give supportive treatments for the symptoms. There is no antidote to chocolate poisoning. Prevention, therefore, is crucial to the safety of your dog. So, enjoy your Easter chocolate, but remember to keep your dog and chocolates separated.